everybody, welcome back to another video. This is the Diecaster. Today we're going to be doing another unboxing video. I think this is like unboxing number 3 or 4 or 5. Haven't really kept track of it, but really excited. These are, I believe, the May NG models, so I'm really excited to get my hands on them. So let's go ahead and get right into it. And as always, before we start, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and of course turn on the notification settings so that way you don't ever miss another aviation content related video that I post in the future. So we'll go ahead and get started. These are these really easy pulled to open boxes, so which are really awesome. All right, so just don't have really a lot of space here, so I'm just gonna have to open these up from the side and set the box down and show you each one individually. So this one feels big, kind of have an idea on what it is. All right, so we have the Hawaiian A330 200. This is my first A330 by NG, so I'm really excited to see this one. I'll probably take this one out of the box towards the end just to show you guys, but yeah, really nice box art. Really excited about this one. Like I said before, it's my first NG A330, so really excited about that one. All right, so yeah, these things are really packed in here. Nope. All right, like I said, really packed in here. All right, so next up, we have the Alaska 737-800. Really nice box art. Absolutely beautiful box art. Really like it a lot. My cat is probably going to intrude on this video, just so you guys all know, so just be prepared for that. If he does come up, I'll try to get him out of the way before he causes mayhem. All right, so it looks like, yeah, the last one in the box. I didn't really order a lot of the May NG releases, so we have the United 787-9 Dreamliner, which came out very nicely. Very familiar box art to the Dash 10, so came out very well. So a very short unboxing video for you guys, but maybe since I do have a little extra time, I can actually take them out of the box for you. So let's go ahead and do that. I usually don't, but just because the video is a little bit shorter than I like, I can actually take them out and show them to you guys. So I do have the Dash 9 by Gemini Jets N1400, but in the old scheme by Gemini. So here it is, guys. Wow, absolutely stunning model. No broken parts. Oh, well, that might, nope, that's not loose. It's just the way my finger hit it. Rolling gear. Beautiful wing flex. Just came out fantastic. Wow, absolutely gorgeous model. Look at that, no broken pieces. Wonderful. Awesome. So I'm just going to set that to the side and I'll unbox it up after, or box it up after, I meant to say. So we'll take a look at the Alaska 737-800. Here it is. Looks amazing. Wow, look at that detail, guys. The popular NG detail that we never tend to miss on any NG model release. They are just absolutely amazing. You guys can take a look at that and then look at the other side. No paint chips, no nothing. Just absolutely amazing model. Really amazing model. They did a fantastic job on it. Wow. I'll have to display that next to my other 800 that I have by Gemini Jets, which this one's going to be a lot taller. I've noticed that the landing gear is a little bit taller. You can see it's a little bit crooked, but that's okay. You know, NG makes fantastic models. You know, it's not going to be perfect every time for any manufacturer, so it's not even going to bother me, but dang, what a wonderful looking model. Really awesome. Can't wait to actually have this at an airport someday whenever I get my airport back up and running. So would definitely recommend this to any Alaska Airlines lover for sure. This is a very nice one. So I'll set that one off to the side for now. And now the one I'm most excited about is the A330-200, just because I don't have one yet by NG. So very, very excited. Comes in the little foam insert like the Dreamliner and the 57 do. Here we go, guys. Here we go. And there it is. Wow. Engine's a little bit loose, but I'm not going to try to mess with it too much. It looks absolutely fantastic. Wow. Man. It's really light. It's really kind of like front heavy. But yeah, my first A330 by NG and 1/400 scale. The sat dome, the antennas, the landing gear, the engines. Everything is tight in it. The engines are a little bit shaky, but that's okay because that's how it is in real life. When the aircraft hits turbulence, you can see the engines move back and forth like that. So I'm fine with that because it's not like a scary fragile. Like I can wiggle them like that and they're not going to come off. So it really adds that extra bit of realism because aircraft engines shake in flight. You know, that's just to be able to succumb to the turbulence and everything like that. So it shakes a little bit, but it's not going to pop. That thing is not going to break. But man, is that just a gorgeous model. Very beautiful. Would recommend this as well to anybody, as well as the Dreamliner. But yeah, we can go ahead and end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. It really is much appreciated. And don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And like I said in the beginning, hit the notification setting, turn those on, as well as the notification bell so you don't ever miss a future video. And I hope you guys did enjoy this one. And make sure to tune in for the next video.